Hello and thanks for checking out ChartGuys.com. We're proud to be one of the most successful technical analysis communities online, teaching you the skills to become a more confident, effective, and informed trader. Join our community of hundreds of analysts worldwide working together to learn the charts, generate profit, and achieve financial independence. Sign up for a 1-week free trial, no credit card required, for access to daily live chart analysis and market coverage, a thriving chat community, along with dozens of hours of exclusive educational materials. We look forward to seeing you. Let's check out some charts. Twitter GoPro X CHK on the daily weekly time frame. So Twitter continues to pull back in a healthy manner. We continue to scout a bullish entry opportunity as the volume is declining exactly as the bulls want to see. We are looking for either a bullish reversal candlestick on the daily or a break in the lower high, lower low pattern on the hourly time frame to shift to a higher low and a higher high. So support at this point is 2040 and then 2015 and then 20 psychological. Stair stepping our way down with clear lower highs and just patiently waiting. The weekly time frame, healthy consolidation, pulling back after the breakout in response to earnings and watching very close. Whoops, not too close. Watching very close for a bullish entry opportunity. GoPro on the daily time frame, strong close, but earnings is getting crushed. Right now here after hours, about 7 p.m., we're down at 950. So the bears taking over in reaction to the earnings. So now down at 950, we're going to be looking down at these supports. We do have plenty of support down here, but the bulls need to hold them. 929 and 906 are the 100 and 200-day moving average supports. And we've got our must-hold level down here at 903. The weekly time frame shows the higher lows and higher highs. So now we have a lower high and then trying to form a higher low compared to 903. That's what it's all about. If we break 903, this is a bearish reversal head and shoulders pattern, and we lose the higher low. And if we hold it, we still maintain a higher low and see a tightening equilibrium pattern on the weekly. X with a reaction to earnings that was bullish initially, and then we had a lot of selling pressure. Saw that same thing last earnings, and definitely bulls bought the dip off the low, but not significant compared to where we saw profit taking come from. We saw a bull break of 28.94, but then all the way down and giving back, 6% plus from that high. So a lot of volatility. Looking back here on the weekly time frame, the 50-week and the upper Bollinger Band resistance continue to reject the price. 50-week had 4 rejections, 5, 6, 7, just clearly keeping the price contained. And look at the range right off the middle Bollinger Band and right off the 50-week resistance. That's the range we're watching now on the weekly time frame for X. CHK on the daily time frame, big follow through, but it's a clear bearish reversal shooting star candlestick with an upper wick of profit taking. There's a gap to fill at 394, and we'll look to see if the bulls can form a higher low and a higher high to reverse this trend. This bounce is nice and all, but it's coming right off the low, and it is not changing this trend. It's just forming a lower high at this point. So we have the middle Bollinger Band on the weekly to be watching. That's been rejecting the price for a very significant amount of time. And we have the most recent lower high. Anything under 449 is just another longer term lower high. So that's the level that we're going to be keeping an eye on. We're going to be looking for the bulls to potentially see a bullish TCG cross here of these moving averages. But other than that, we are still bearish and looking for a higher low to form on a bit of a pullback because we did close down at the low of the day. So we'll see how tomorrow goes with GoPro. Going to be a lot of volatility with the reaction to earnings. Going to test some of these supports. We'll see if the bulls are able to maintain them. X is going to also have some more volatility as we tighten up the range within the range likely that we saw today. So thanks again. We'll see you tomorrow. Have a great night.